Now it's time for one of our Lush TV regular spots. We're off to the factory for another tour. Where is Riot?
Welcome to the Fresh Room, where we make the freshest unpreserved face masks in the world. Just take a look at some of these ingredients. These are all seasonally sourced, so as much as possible is always organic. So we have, at the moment, papayas from Brazil, mangoes from Ecuador, blueberries from Chile, lavender from France. We're growing our own wheatgrass. It takes about a week and a half to get to this length. The seaweed, nori seaweed from Japan. We will use about 20,000 of these beautiful red roses. And the most intriguing one maybe is the seaweed. This is locally harvested seaweed, and we will use a ton of this to keep people's skin soft and beautiful. Hi Andy.
Hello.
So cracking eggs then. Andy's worked with us for 5 months in the Fresh Room, and today you must be making braised honey, I think. So these are all the egg whites that we're making. These eggs actually come from Wales.
Fab.
So these are going to tighten and brighten the skin. And it's the spices that make the skin look nice and bright and fresh. And this is the shell blast. This is one of my favourite ingredients, whatever we put it in, because I just love anything that gets scrubby and gets rid of those dead skin cells and brightens the skin. Right then, let's get ready to mix. So in here then, you've already weighed out coriander, fennel, honey, and ginger.
That's right. And
we're just going to add the egg whites to this, and then you're going to whisk it up.
Exactly.
Yeah. So Andy's now just putting the kaolin and the talc in there, which is what binds it all together and holds it, and then you can put it onto your skin once all that's in. You have to be very careful at this point, because this is where potentially we could just disappear into a cloud of wax. Now it really starts to look like a face mask. Well, while that one's busy mixing, let's pop round the corner and see what Gav's making. Ta-da! This has to be one of the best smelling masks. This is Cupcake. And here's the other cupcake who's making it. This is Gavin. And in here is cocoa powder, mint, linseed infusion, kaolin, grated cocoa butter. It smells good enough to eat, this one. This is yummy. So Gav, what are you going to weigh into here now then?
This is the mud part of the product, the powder that goes on top of the product, and the talc obviously as well.
Who would ever think you'd make a face mask out of chocolate and mud?
Oh, that's crazy.
Only Lush. So we'll leave Gavin mixing in the rest of the ingredients, and then we'll come back and see it later. Thanks, Gav. And this is the braised honey that we made earlier. And this is Sue. Sue manages the whole of the Fresh Room and makes sure that everything goes out on time and everything that's ordered is made. And Sue's worked with us for 7 years.
7 years, yes.
And she's a master compounder, which means Sue's very clever and can make absolutely everything. So braised honey, what happens with it now it's been made then, Sue?
Basically, now I'm going to tub it up. So I'm going to put a kilo
into each pot. So Sue, we made this one this morning. Well, Andy made this one this morning. When will it actually leave us to go to the shops?
This will be going to the shops today. You know, you can see here, Norwich, Trafford, Bath, Plymouth. There's quite a lot of shops.
Well, it is. It's going out to loads of places.
Yep.
I see a box for Northampton there, which is my hometown. Hey. So yeah, great. So let's get potting then. So this is the cupcake almost done, and this too will be on its way today. So today in the Fresh Room we've met Gav, Andy and Sue. So until the next factory tour, bye! Bye.